Hi everyone. So I had a couple people ask about a schedule sorter, something to kind of keep track of all the different schedules we're making, especially for schools that are doing AB days or something similar to that. And I finally sat down and tried to kind of come up with something that may hopefully be helpful for you. That being said, I've never done scheduling personally, so this took a lot of going back and forth with someone who has, and I would love to continue to do that. I would like to make this perfect. I don't really know if it's quite there yet. That being said, if you love it, of course, reach out. We can figure out how you can have a copy of it, but as of right now, I'm really asking for feedback. Okay, so what you're looking at right now is a list of all the classes. Each section has their own tabs. So let's say I have 3 different sections of third graders. This first section is going to go through these classes. Okay, I already put several in here. There's grade level, there's section, this is all section 1 occurrence. So this is the first occurrence of ELA core, first occurrence of writing, and then second occurrence of ELA core and writing, same thing with closed reading. You add in your number of days needed. It calculates the number of days you've used, so you can see that it's calculated 1 day for close reading. And the length, and then it also tells you the end time of the first day. So that could be really helpful. It's not telling you the end time of every single day individually, but if you are starting all of them at the same time, it's just going to find the first day that it occurs and the end time of that first day. So I'm going to add one more here. Let's do another occurrence of ELA centers. We're going to do grade 3. This is section 1. This is the second occurrence. I need 5 days of this. And I'm going to have it start, since the last one ended at 1:50, I want 10 minutes in between. So I'm going to go ahead and do, I want 2 p.m. I want the same across all of these, so I'm just going to copy and paste. And I want it to be 30 minutes long, so I want to end my day at 2:30. All right, what I'm going to do is go up here to Schedule Sorter and click Adjust Schedule. And it's going to get rid of anything it has over here, and then it's going to do some little magic. This takes a couple minutes, so it's not something that's immediate. But what it's basically doing is figuring out which classes appear in which blocks of time. So it's done by every 5 minutes. And then it's kind of just bringing those together into different chunks so that you can get a better view of where those students are depending on the day and the time. So I'm going to let it continue to do this for a moment, and then I will bring us back. Once it's finished, it should just take maybe like another minute. So it's 7:04 right now. I'm going to pause. All right, and it's 7:05, so not more than maybe a little over a minute has passed. And right now it's finishing up Friday. So you'll see it chunk Friday. There it goes. And during this time, I'm not really like touching anything that's going on that might mess up the process. So I'm kind of just letting it figure itself out. All right, and it looks like it's finished up. Everything's centered in there. You can see all the blocks of time. You can see, for instance, from 10:30 until 11:05, they have writing Monday through Thursday and then close reading on Friday. It is telling you the name of the class, the section, the grade, and then whether or not it's a first or second occurrence. I've already done the same for section 2 and section 3. So I'm going to go ahead and go to all. All right, what I want to do here, once I have all that information put in, I'm going to click Update All. And it's going to do a very similar thing to this calendar of all the classes. So right now I have 3 different sections in there. It is chunking together the different classes. I have them color-coded, so the blue is going to be section 1, the reddish pinkish color is section 2, and then the green color is section 3. So again, it's 7:06. I'm going to pause for just a minute while it finishes up what it has going on right now. All right, looks like it's working on Friday now. It's 7:07, so we're still within a minute. And Last thing it should do is just add some borders, center everything, make it look a little bit prettier so you can kind of tell what's going on. And there you have it. Now you can see where all 3 sections are at any time during the day. Again, it's broken down by 5 minutes. You can see all their schedules there. So if you have any feedback, have any questions, I did forget to mention that I do have a section for flags. So right now the flags are going to come up if it notices that you have the same class showing up twice, the same grade level or the same section or the same room number showing up twice within a block. So that's if you accidentally scheduled for 2 classes in the same block. But otherwise, yeah, I'm looking for feedback. Let me know what you think. If you love it, I think I'm going to go ahead and drop a Google form link. That way you can fill it out if you want to go ahead and grab it now. Of course, there's a charge, so I'll give you a quote on that after you fill out the questions. But otherwise, yeah, just looking for feedback. Thank you all so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you.